Hello and welcome to the showcase for our campfire system. I made it a bit dark here. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna turn up the F11 to get full screen. We already have chests in our system. We have a player character screen and we have inventory. We have saves on everything. And now we also have a campfire that we're gonna create as requested. If I go up to the campfire, you can see that, okay, we had some here from testing before. So it requires a fuel source. And for example, wood will burn real fast compared to other fuel sources, right? So it runs out. I'm going to have to fix that. It stops itself automatically. But yeah, so now it doesn't have any fuel source. So it's going to just die out immediately. Again, if I add wood, currently it has a 50% chance of producing charcoal. So you can set up anything you want to have a specific byproduct. Like, for example, if you want to go crazy about it, like wood can produce a fucking sword. You know what I mean? Like you can set up any byproduct you want. As of that, coal burns hotter than wood. So if we start coal, you can see that it's going to last a lot longer. We can, of course, go away from the the campfire. It's going to keep doing its job, refilling as needed, and eventually die out. Anyway, hope you're excited for this tutorial. We will get started as soon as I'm done.